still searching. What is my goal? Just where's my place? Look into these eyes, pierce through this soul, stare into this face. Alright, I'm back from the war. I carry scars in my heart for the brothers and sisters I lost. Oh, how cruelly we part. I'm back from the war. All the tears I have cried, reliving the last memories of my friends who have died. Ooh. The sun is rising, birds are chirping. I'm looking for something yet I'm still searching. Lost in this world that can be colder than ice, but I found it this way. It never asked my advice. Too many bad people who got their own way, and those who followed not knowing what the price they would pay. Still I must join in all of this madness, attempt to act brave while hiding the sadness, doing exactly what I've been ordered to do. Brother fighting brother, me killing you. Of my fellow soldiers who died. There are followers and there are leaders, those who died in battle and their defeaters, those who can't use their arms or legs cause someone failed to use their head, and my friends who now they quietly living God to saw the dead. The sun is rising, birds are chirping. I'm looking for something yet I'm still searching.